How's it going? I'm Jace, and yesterday, one of my projects here, that TV used to be, I was going to show the unit that it was on. It's not even here anymore. Actually just sold it. It used to be around about this high, on top, about this high off the at that high off the floor, and now it's up there in the corner. And coming up here, you can actually see it's a bit of a mess at the moment. So all those wires just hanging down there, and it comes down into behind the chair there. And so what I'm going to do today is put in the conduit into, I've got like a conduit 16 by 16. I'm going to be putting that into the wall, into the corner there, and going to be cleaning that up so it just doesn't look messy and hanging down. Just going to be putting that into the corner there, and I'm going to stop waffling and just going to get on with it. Hey, are you going to help me today, Loki? You going to help me?
No treats, no work.
Okay, so I've measured that height of what it's supposed to be. It's 1.7 meters, so I can get a tape measure. Tape measure here. It's only a little one. That's fine. So we're going to get that tape measure. Going to measure out on this conduit that I've got here. Anyway, I'm going to measure out on this conduit that I've got here and measure that as 1.7 meters, and then going to slice it with a hacksaw. So that right there, I've just marked that at 170 centimeters, and we'll cut that with a hacksaw and start to put it in there. Alrighty, this in here is a very messy shed, but as my hacksaw, so grab that tool out. I was going to need that today. Also going to need a drill, some screws, and some drill bits. There we are, I've just cut that into 1.7 meter length, and that there is the offcut. Can use that for another project later. Alright, this is what we're using today. Of course, got the drill. I do have a battery for that. It's currently on charge. My pilot drill is my favorite one. It just works very well. And that is 8 gauge drill. We built a couple of sheds, and these are all the leftovers. So I got those screws there. They're 8 gauge and 3/8 of an inch, or for anyone who's using a metric system like me, 9.5 mil or 10 mil long. Alright, so we've got a conduit cut to size. This one here is just a 16 by 16. And need to just drill some holes down the back of it so we can screw that into the wall. One right up to the top. Down. In the middle. Next one a bit further down. And one down the end. Open up. Which I can never do.
You should be able to slide it. Right on. A broomstick.
TV.